Hey people, D-Man here, and today I am reviewing something from Dairy Queen. This is the new Oreo Dirt Cake, I think, or something like that. The name will be here if you want to see it real quick. So this is Oreo chocolate, and I think there's some chocolate gummy bears. I mean, not chocolate, gummy bears in there. Gummy worms, not gummy bears. Since it's supposed to be like a dirt cake, I'll be honest, I don't like Oreos that much, but I do like gummy worms. So let's try this out and see what it tastes like. Okay, here it is. Yeah. I can taste the Oreo. Not the best. But there is a gummy worm in there, so interesting. But not the best. I'll be right back after I ate some more.
Just remind you to subscribe, hit that bell, like, comment, share this video, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok down below.
So, as you can see, I'm not finished, but I have eaten a lot of it. I gotta say, it was kind of garbage. Not worth the money, even though it's small. Definitely not worth the money. I don't know, just the Oreo just makes it bad. The little gummy worms are okay, but it still doesn't taste good with Oreo, so that's about it. Oreo sucks. Personal opinion. Anyways, I hope you liked this. If you did, like, comment, share, hit that bell notification. The best way you can with the channel. Link down below to my Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. As always, my friends, stay sane. Peace.
Just remind you to subscribe, hit that bell, like, comment, and share this video, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok down below.
Shadow, my baby, I love you so much. You're my baby, and you love to sleep in the bathtub. 'Cause you're a weirdo. Shadow, look over here, buddy. Look over here.